Igbo adịghị nyerukwa onwe ha aka sometimes. Igbo anyị na-eme eye service.
Content creator?
Yes, the guy did good. The guy did good. On where I think.
Facebook.
Imo, yes. Nyari Imo emego one or two things. The guy did good. Oji Igbo make content here. Nice. And another thing you know also about this our Igbo is when you are dropping content with Igbo, you will see a full Igbo boy, Igbo girl, Igbo woman, Igbo man. We tell you, can't you speak English? It's more of English. Do you understand? If that's now, they are killing your vibe. When a Yoruba guy is saying something in Yoruba, Asia, write down. Man, Igbo person, even nda Hausa bacha content creator, you will not add them.
I agree.
But when it comes to Igbo and Yoruba, it seems like na amaka. Within the Edo Bini. Onye Yoruba na-ekwu okwu with Yoruba, ndị Igbo ya na-eme encourage. Man, onye Igbo mgbe who with Igbo, when they criticize what the person. Who made so many times na my page. Even a comment section, nah, speak Igbo. We are more of English here. Speak Igbo. Speak English. Speak English. I was like, what is that? Understand? Man, no na-ekije ndị ọcha nọcha UK na-achọ ka ha suwe Igbo. Ọ na-ewute m. So all these things are bụcha the problem there.
You're a fine boy, and then the fresh, and then a boron ndị otu anyị nwecha pot belly. Fame ga kedu ka o si wee relate with ụmụ nwa? Did it bring ụmụ nwa close? How did your female fans, did he get you female fans? How did you handle the whole women and everything? Ịma agwa m Nigeria wee taa tatadewawa. So how did it happen with the women's side?
I'm gonna attack one now.
Where?
Yeah. But when it comes to female side, I as an affair, I can offer.
Okay.
Because if you don't do it, so many things happen here. And two, the worst thing game making wabo why tarnishing your image. Ọ ga-aga to the every length ọ bụ na ọ ga-aga n'ụwa.
Yes.
Ka o make sure na gịnị me na o bu that image ya.
Yes.
O mekwe m njiri aka m say this relationship, ihe ọbụla gbasara relationship, that I will not do it even up till now. Yes. I know any ọbụla relationship.
Why? Can you take such a decision?
Okay. My decision always come when I experience things. Understand? For example, now, if it's fair, I have to go into some certain things. Let me go my own decision on this thing. Mobuna, God who can, as in, turn things around again for me. I will keep the standard in Choreno. When it comes to women aspects, I have been in a relationship for 4 years, even say my people. Let me just point Choriku. I've been in a relationship for over 4 years. Name invitation card on my birthday. Do you understand? Now, I choose to live my life as an outside circle of a woman. As an able one, as in it be my life, may attach to them. No only about my life. I refuse to live that kind of life because it weighs me down back in the days. It weighed him down well. That's I hardly recover from it because I'm not too emotional. I hardly recover from it. Understand? So as time goes on, I live my life to the extent that I choose the kind of people who are on my cycle and the kind of handle my side. Even this word relationship or the fragile. They gave misunderstand there. Some people will be telling you in aspect of some people will be saying that aspect of you can't even stand a woman. Some people will be saying in the aspect of no man enough. All these things are not near. all these categories here in Ngocha now. I'm in it. I'm a shy type. I'm as in like I get go up on wine now. When I do two, it's all over. I can't talk to you. But I should do two. I forgot that now I can't break that. As I'm separate now, but I want that capacity. No, I can't do that.
The moral no day.
No. I don't do that. My childhood friend, Mago Dimo, former that in Eastern Nigeria, Tonya number. You go wegi. You have killed yourself. Or Hanawago. Understand? So I'm more of secret somebody. Not like my life secrets. You check my family. My family be full vibe. That's in with my family in social media. Yeah. But a kind of life, I need a private life. Not that for people need their family make content to my mom bo vibe, my sister's bo vibe, or my father bo character. But I'm not seeing myself bringing them on social media. If they are up on allow, I will bring them on social media. But on my own, I feel it's a respect I'm giving to them. I'm gonna go so many things in me go to my father. I'm gonna go to my mom. But I can't put it on social media. It's so I'm not follow me, I give to my mom this. No, I don't do that. I don't do that. I'm more of secret life, separate life, private life. That is me. And that's the reason why I'm not finding a difficulty in a relationship. I will be feeling that no, yeah, name me yeah, no, give me your cause of me. So I'm more of come no room.
Make a day my day.
Because also go there when I'm gonna get you 1 year, more 6 months. You break it up with me. Ngaya here more than 1 year. Because when I love with all my heart.
Oh.
That is me. Understand? So I choose this aspect of life that no, come no room. So that's it.
Nzube, would you have preferred your life before the fame or after the fame? Kedu nke asi geta angi choose o geta. I ga so na oka mma na I'm adequate to it before that Eluu-P. Ko we prefer thank God after this one now now. Ken ke ga so na prefer before the fame or after the fame your life?
Oh, don't get you
Go ahead, please.
Before the fame, I will not say God, go which mazu. Because why he need like 1 million or when you got understand? We call it upgrade. We call it change of friends. Understand? We call it experience. Seeing another part of life. Oh, sometimes and say, nah, Chineke, me did you any me ya. Niya na boas pamaka. Because there is no backup. Now working the reason why I prefer my life now than then. Because Oyogabu, Iga kake ime asekimba. Calm down, no mwa game ya. Ime mwa Iga pota. Mana mwa ichoki ime ya. Once go to gina gina mwa ime ubu mwa hija Iga ime that thing ka ego pota. Iga ma pota maki iwe hommado. But for now, talk issue where I saw now. I feel call 1 or 2 people. They will come to my rescue. Believing that tomorrow we hear the nihu. Understand? So I prefer my life now than then.
Enwe kisi we feel na ndị Igbo gbasili ike kwesikwa iti elu ga ahụ. Enwe onye bụ no owubere ozugbo. Just like Tunde post where get a future big Igbo boys. But I go, they will start meeting the person, and the real trying to invite the person over. If you feel you know they ha ka biakwa, and then we he feel him or biaro.
Yes, imana.
For example, now what he somebody like Kubana Chief Priest now loves helping Igbo young people.
Yes.
Obigodo onyo for na mo big brother, mo boyon fu ubeleu. Kubana Chief Priest ne tilo onya ho. So many of them ne mecha the thing. If you know ka bia, and we hear men no biaro. And we each men no biaro.
I don't know. But what I thought, it seems like I don't know. not the same platform ahụ njipụ wepụtakwa.
That political affiliation.
Yes, it may affect so many things. Yota. Onye m si ya na almost bụ na ọ ga-abịa to my rescue. No. But at least, I have not seen this person before. Ije gba touch efe ya fu onye as in gini anọkọ rikọ. Okwu dị ụtọ ahụ. Ọ bụrụ na ogodi onye godi gị, that iru akwụkwọ ahụ gbagodere elu na mana yes gị na onye akụgokwe. No kwere ihe bring it to your status.
Yes.
Understand? Ihe m believe no ya bụ ihe merie niile anụ na abụ that the same politics this thing aspect and you pụtakwa. Fame ajiwe hit him. All these guys are good guys na. Understand? O wetekwe m ni ofu ihe ahụ kwa. Ọ kpara ime okwukwe. Because nkwukwe ebe a. Igbo adanyerekwa onwe ha aka sometimes. Igbo anyị na-eme eye service.
Kebo Obarimo.
Content creator. Yes, the guy did good. Oh. The guy did good. Where I think.
Obarimo ba afia na Facebook.
Obarimo, yes. Nyari Imo emego one or two things. The guy did good. Oji Igbo eme content ya. Nice. And another thing you know also about this our Igbo is when you are dropping content with Igbo, you will see a full Igbo boy, Igbo girl, Igbo woman, Igbo man. We tell you, can't you speak English? It's more of English. Do you understand? If that's not, they are killing your vibe. When a Yoruba guy is saying something in Yoruba, Asia, write down. Man, Igbo person, imana nda Hausa bacha content creator. You will not add them. I agree. But when it comes to Igbo and Yoruba, it seems like na amaka. Within the Edo Benin. Onye Yoruba na-ekwu okwu with Yoruba, ndị Igbo ya na-eme encourage. Man, onye Igbo mgbe who with Igbo, when they criticize what the person. Who made so many times na my page. Even a comment section, na speak Igbo. We are more of English here. Speak Igbo. Speak English. Speak English. I was like, what is that? Understand? Man, no na-ekije ndị ọcha nọcha UK na-achọ ka ha suwe Igbo. Ọ na-ewute m. So all these things are the problem there.
That political affiliation that you have, and every other person with their own different political disposition, and that is their own reservation not to come in to associate with you. Don't you think that now you are still continuing that mistake by adopting Eluu-P official as a name and a brand? Don't you think that you are still shooting yourself in the leg that can still affect you tomorrow? Maybe you've not thought of this before. Don't you think you should flag your Stephen Mouka?
That is the problem.
You get?
Before you buy any land or property, make sure you are buying from a government-registered and reputable real estate company. And I recommend Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited.